as predicted here, WSB, full of crap. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update. It is Tuesday, February the 2nd, Groundhog Day. I don't know if I saw my shadow or not. In the meantime, what's the difference if we have winter or not? We got the pandemic and we can't go anywhere anyways. In the meantime, today's update is brought to you by the CTG Group, our futures and commodities partner. Now, we do have other brokers, just to be clear, but for our preference is to use CTG. They are the only authorized dealer of our letter of direction trading, of our algorithms. And of course, they've also got some great managed products, plus the fact they trade all of my accounts. So that's how much I respect their ability to take care of our business. They handle all of my accounts as well. In the meantime, as you know, or maybe you don't know, but we are short half the market, long half the market. We are short the Dow and the S&P, which are both skyrocketing today. And we are long the Russell and the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is skyrocketing. The Russell is struggling. But either way, again, it is what it is. Again, we're not going to get nervous about what's happening day to day. This is exactly what happened in the metals. Okay. And this is where the WSB Reddit's Wall Street Bets is I think they're more of a political organization, to tell you the truth. I think they have an agenda to try to get things regulated. In the meantime, you knew that silver was going to pop yesterday. That we said that Sunday morning on Bubba's Bottom Line, just because of all the fear and panic of those who might have been short or didn't want to miss the rally. We're going to charge in heavily and buy. And of course, they did rally hard. And of course, by now, I mean, this morning, where are we? We are below where we started. So once again, although we had to reverse, which didn't make me happy, but we had to reverse and we are long silver. But I knew in my mind that it was a crap rally. But again, what will happen is if it keeps going down, I'll reverse the other way. So I'm not going to worry about it. But we did not get involved in the emotional imbalance, which was playing out yesterday, nor did we cover our positions until this morning. So we did buy significantly lower, but they're even lower now. Silver's down about almost $3. Okay. Gold is down about $30, and platinum is suddenly, I don't know what happened, is charged. Well, we're long silver, short gold, and long platinum. Okay. Oil making a big charge again. There must be something going on in the oil markets because we are now breaking above that 55 level. It's just hovering. It's been above. It's right now at the moment below. We're still long, so obviously a good thing. I mean, I know there's got to be a good sell here coming somewhere. Bonds and notes are getting clobbered once again, and we are long notes, short bonds. Nat gas going higher. Well, again, weather related. You know, this is one of the things about nat gas, which is why I never like to be shorted when it's down around the $2 level, and I would never be a buyer up around the $5. But so down here, never bad being long because you get those nice little pops. In copper, although we are still long, is down again, and it does look like it's getting ready to reverse and turn over. We will see, and again, we will change with the algorithm. And until then, we're long. Dollar is higher once again. Watch 91.50 on the top side for resistance. Now, looking at the grains, the poor grains, they've been very volatile. And of course, yesterday they were getting crushed. They came all the way back. Today, they're under heavy pressure, and I don't think they're coming back today. Corn's down about 6, beans are down about 20, wheat's down about 10. However, we're still long, except for soybeans, we're short. But I think these are just buying opportunities. Again, until proven otherwise. And they've got really solid looking charts. So if other than soybeans, we'll continue to look to buy wheat and corn. And soybeans will eventually turn, which is fine. I mean, these big down days are good as it pulls down our reversal point anyways, so not bad. And the meats are up across the board. Fats and feeders are up a little bit, and hogs are up over $1. So very solid movement there. And in the softs, the cotton is higher, slightly higher, we're long. OJ is lower, we're short. Coffee is lower, we're long. Sugar is higher, we're long, and cocoa it's split. Okay, in March it's higher, Okay, but we've rolled to May, and which is lower. So either way, it's right around whatever. So again, markets are going to do what markets are going to do. And please, again, stay away from the emotional balance or imbalance that happens in the news. The news, you lose. That's it. Remember, trade the news, you lose. You get emotional or opinionated, you lose. That's it. That's simple. Okay. In the meantime, don't forget about our brokerage partner at Tradier. Okay. Again, I have other equity brokers as well, but for equities and options, first of all, it's $10. Okay. Now, I traded yesterday 2,200 contracts. Okay. My bill will be $10 at the end of the month for my Tradier brokerage account. So you do as you wish, but I'm just saying. I mean, if I was anywhere else, it would have been about $1,400 in commission. In the meantime, they've got great customer service. We've got their APIs. We have automated our programs. So it's up to you. You don't have to do anything if you don't want to, but in your membership, it is included that you can automate and have full automation of your trading based on our signals and based on our formulas. So that is, again, up to you. Okay. And they've got a free options course they're giving you, which we have session 4 coming up on Saturday, the 6th at noon Eastern. And of course, our great partners at Family Farms. You know, it's such a tragedy. We're going to have our big event with them in March, and it's going to still be part virtual, part live. And it's sad because I can't wait to get to work with those guys and hang out and really get going and basically say, as they say, Bob Evans down on the farm, Bubba down on the farm. I want to get down, I want to get out, and I want to see people. And once again, we're at this position where they're going to be too busy to even want to look at me now, another couple of weeks. And in the meantime, the commodity report, Andy Hecht, what can I say? I mean, if you listened to us last night, and we did a great pregame on this whole mess with GameStop and all that other stuff, but commodities, he's a professional. Was at one time held the biggest silver position in the world. Okay. And again, it's called Technomental. It's at BUBBATrading.com. I am offering last week's edition. If you'd like to see it, you can check it out. All you got to do is email me at BUBBATrading.com. And of course, don't forget our high school investing program. We're trying to get this thing rebuilt. I finance myself personally about 92%. And I do get some help from Patreon. That's patreon.com/BubbaTrading. Patreon.com/BubbaTrading. In the meantime, I urge you to be careful. I'm saying this. The next big move will be lower. Okay. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be today. Obviously, we're higher right now. I wouldn't be surprised to see the markets turn, but the next big trend will be to the downside. I can already see it starting to work its way in. These bubble-ish ideas, some of the stocks that have gone ballistic. In the meantime, be careful, be patient, and know your exits if you're day trading. And until tomorrow, have a great day, everybody. We'll see you later. This is Bubba's Daily Update for Tuesday. See you tomorrow.